This film demonstrates the straightforward installation of the Novero car kit with display, the Truly one. The same instructions also apply to the Trusty One kit, which has no display. The film highlights unique features such as power connection verification and audio test sequence, features designed to make the installation as simple as possible. Prior to installation, check that the product sales package of the Truly One contains all the necessary components. The contents must include a Novero hands-free unit, a remote control and Velcro tape, a display unit, stand and base plate, including adhesive pads, to allow the display to be mounted in different positions, for example on top of or in front of the dashboard, an adjustable microphone unit and Velcro tape, and a Novero system cable to enable the kit to be installed in ISO vehicles or using an appropriate adapter in non-ISO models. Some cars require adapter sets to convert them to ISO. These are not included in the car kit. Novero's service offers help in selecting the appropriate adapter. The first step in installing the car kit is to position the various components. These are the positions that Novero recommends. However, they can be adapted to suit the customer's requirements. Position the microphone by first sticking one side of the Velcro tape to the microphone base. Then peel off the protective foil on the other side and press the microphone firmly in place. For optimum audio quality, the microphone should ideally be located next to the vehicle's rearview mirror. Next, the display unit should be mounted with the stand. Before mounting the display unit, first remove the protective foil on the adhesive tape on the base plate. Mount the display unit, in this case on top of the dashboard, and press firmly in place. The remote control is the next component. First, establish where the cable must be routed to allow optimal mounting, and insert the cable into the cable channel on the base of the remote control. Remove the protective foil on the Velcro tape and stick the tape to the remote control base. Peel off the protective foil on the other side and press the remote control into position. Now remove the vehicle's stereo system and disconnect it from the wiring harness. Install the Novero system cable, bearing in mind that to achieve optimum service and Bluetooth performance, Novero recommends placing the hands-free unit in the passenger footwell. The Novero system cable should be routed through the stereo opening and into the passenger footwell so that it can be connected to the hands-free unit. The next step is to route the microphone cable, the display unit cable, and finally the remote control cable to wherever the hands-free unit is located. Routing will of course vary depending on the make of vehicle, particular model and component location. Now connect all the routed cables to the hands-free unit. Microphone, remote control, display, and system cable connector. That completes the connection of the hands-free unit. Now the car stereo system must be connected. If the vehicle is not pre-fitted with ISO, then the appropriate adapter must first be installed. Connect the ISO connectors of the Novero system cable to the corresponding connectors of the adapter, and the car-specific connectors of the adapter to the speaker cables. Different cars have different pin positions for the permanent 12-volt and ignition signals. The kit checks the power configuration. If the permanent 12-volt and the ignition connections have been reversed, the LEDs of the remote control will blink alternately, and the display notifies the installer that there is a fault. In addition, an audio signal will sound. The reversed connection can be corrected by exchanging the output side wires of the fuse holders on the Novero system cable. This only affects the leads to the car kit and not the vehicle electronics. The remote control LEDs will stop flashing once the power leads have been correctly connected. Reconnect the stereo system. The Novero system cable, or the adapter if one has been used, should now be plugged into the vehicle's stereo and the system replaced in its mounting, but not secured. The audio test sequence verifies that the kit is working properly. The test sequence for the Truly one is activated via the menu. If you're installing the Trusty one, press the green button of the control unit for more than 5 seconds. After a beep, the first sequence is played on the 2 front speakers to simulate the call down link. After the next beep, test the microphone by tapping on it. Finally, after the next beep, the sequence is played twice, first on the left and then on the right speaker to simulate stereo music output. Once all the tests have been carried out successfully, the installation of the Novero car kit is complete. The stereo system should be secured in its mounting and all trim replaced in its original location. The Novero car kit is now fully operational.